Coming out of this, another breaking coming in from Parliament. Rahul Gandhi speaking on the...
Give it authenticated.
So this is...
Please table it.
Table it, please.
Please table it. We
Speaker,
will
sir,
examine it and we'll get back to you.
Chairman, right?
And
Chairman, sir,
yeah,
I have
please
authenticated the article.
Please continue on Honorable President's speech.
Yes. So, as I said yesterday, very important matter in the President's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship between us and the Chinese and the Pakistanis. There is a very important matter that is quoted inside this article that I have authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and...
Sir, I'm once again... No. Please.
No, sir.
One second.
Sir.
No, once again. Sir, I'm once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President. I'm requesting LOP to please restrict himself to the speech of the Honorable President.
Let us not mislead the House. Let us clear the confusion. Today also I had requested both Venugopalji and Gauravji also. We are patiently waiting to listen to the Honorable Leader of the Opposition. The matter which was referred to just now, yesterday the Chair has given a ruling. On the paper on which he has authenticated, that is tabled in the House. But what I'm saying is, when a ruling has already been given on a matter which he referred yesterday, he can't be quoting same matter again in a pretext of making a reference indirectly. He cannot refer on the same matter. Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Sir, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister is trying to mislead the House. Of course, he called us, me and Gaurav Gogoi. Sir, please.
Sir, when Honorable LOP is standing...
Yes, he quoted me.
Sir, when Honorable LOP is standing...
I want to give a clarification.
When Honorable LOP is standing, you are
Please
speaking.
allow me to give a clarification, sir.
No.
Please allow me. 1 minute.
No, sir, when Honorable LOP is standing, you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. You have 1 minute clarification.
No, sir. Please permit him to speak. He's already started his speech, sir. He started his speech, sir. Let him speak.
Our Speaker, what was the Speaker's ruling yesterday? Don't quote the book, don't quote the magazine. This was the only ruling of the Speaker. But,
No, sir. Please listen to me. He started his speech. Please let him continue. He started his speech.
I need a clarification because Parliamentary Affairs Minister quoted me.
Honorable
He took my name.
Sir, you want him to speak or not?
This is only for this House.